Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows 11 edition and securing admin rights. Once done, connect to the internet so activation can validate instantly. Make sure you have the 25-character product key visible. Don't type blindly. Open Settings, go to System then Activation, and click Change Product Key. Enter the code exactly with hyphens if included. Press Next to begin online validation. If the key is valid, Windows will queue activation automatically and show progress. You'll now run the actual activation flow and handle the trickier parts. After entering the key in Settings, the client contacts Microsoft servers. Wait for confirmation. If servers aren't reachable, open an elevated command prompt and run slmgr. vbs/ipgear key then slmgr. vbs/auto to force activation when online. Make sure Windows Update isn't blocking network traffic. Once successful, restart Windows to allow license services to refresh and reflect the activated state in the system UI. You're at the final steps. Confirm activation status in Settings. It should read Windows is activated. If it doesn't, run the activation troubleshooter from the same page. It fixes many digital license mismatches. Make sure your device's date and time are correct, because incorrect system time can block validation. If you still see an error code, note it and contact Microsoft support or your vendor. Provide the code and your proof of purchase so they can resolve entitlement or key conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.